to read the directions. Basically got the freaking keyboard right here, guys. Yeah, that lights up. It's pretty freaking cool. What the freaking PC looks like, it looks like that. California dreaming about you. Yo, what to do, y'all? It's your boy Ripper, bringing you guys another freaking bigger video, guys. So now, guys, today, basically today, I'm gonna be unboxing my ABS Challenger gaming PC. I mean, guys, like I said, I have an $1,000 PC on the way, and I said that already. And so make sure before this video starts, make sure to like the video, subscribe to notifications, follow me on Instagram, ChanceRuPio21. I'm gonna be doing an FPS test for you guys too, because not a lot of people do that. So I need to make sure I unbox this box very carefully. I need to make sure I don't just randomly just rush it, anything. This PC is a hell of a lot better than the iBuyPower one that I bought, so make sure you like, subscribe to notifications, follow me on Instagram, ChanceRuPio21, and yeah, let's get right into unboxing this shit. So here's my ABS PC. So this must be the accessories bag right here, so let's see what we got in here. I think we got the power cord right here. That's the power cord and everything. We basically got the manual and everything like that, the parts list and everything. We got, I don't know what that cord is. I'm gonna have to read the directions right now. We basically got the freaking keyboard right here, guys. We got the Hermes ESCS gaming combo keyboard. I mean, if it didn't come with a keyboard, I just brought my own, but I think I'm gonna plug this one into it, to be honest, because I don't want to break anything. But yeah, guys, here's the keyboard right here. It's the Hermes keyboard, so make sure you like, subscribe to notifications. Yeah, basically, the PC is in here, probably. So let me unbox this right here. It has 2 HDMI ports. That's what I love about this thing. It has 2 friggin' HDMI ports. Ordering PCs online is the best. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after. Got my headphones hooked up. Damn, this thing looks pretty sweet, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, this is the best PC for $1,000, I'm just telling you. It's way better than the friggin' iBuyPower one that I bought. Oh, and it's got that in it too, I don't know what that is. Just show you what it is. Make sure you like, subscribe to notifications. Well, on my Instagram, ChanceRuPio21. I'm gonna show you what it looks like set up and everything. Can't lose these pieces. You got pictures, the LEDs. Damn, nothing's up. That's so cool. So, yeah, guys, let's get this one back on. It's temporary. This thing looks badass. Love you, Dad. Thank you. So let's plug this shit in and see how it looks. And then I'll get my TV plugged into it. and everything. So guys, right now I'm gonna be basically getting this plugged in. So guys, my other PC was shit compared to this one. This one, well, my dad's friend Nick said this computer is like the best computer you can ever get. So I'm trusting his word on that.
I would say hit the button that's blue. That's the power button.
That's what's up. So it looks like has the LED right there and everything. And now I'm gonna get my TV plugged in to it. What's this mean?
I don't know, where are all these screws?
I have no idea. Yeah.
Well, why don't we open up the instruction manual?
Wait, this goes into this. Okay guys, now we're opening the keyboard. So this PC's pretty lit, I'm not gonna lie. This is like one of the best $1,000 PCs.
You always gotta put a dollar value on it, don't you?
Sorry. The mouse is in here too, right?
I don't know.
What was that? Oh, it came with a mouse pad too, and a mouse. What's this? Ooh. Yes, it did come with a mouse, which I was nervous about that it wouldn't, but it did.
These niggas hating, scratch, 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 skirt, skirt, skirt. Out my way, out my lane. I like fast cars, I like bad hoes. Every day I let my chain swing, just like Django. I don't go nowhere with all my brothers, that's the gang gang. Everybody with me too strapped, touch me, that's bang bang, bang bang, bang bang bang. Yo nigga too lame, I'm amazing. Watch the lane switch, yeah, I got fame quick. I ain't had shit. When I got on, I was still tryna bust a bin. Yeah, I'ma bust a bitch and lead a nut on her friend. Damn it, it gotta be in. Damn it, it gotta be in. Damn it, it gotta be in. We gotta do it again. Yeah, shit, that's my compadre. Hey, yeah, bitch call me Pape. I like fast cars, I like bad hoes. Every day I let my chain swing, just like Django. I don't go nowhere with all my brothers, that's the gang gang. Everybody with me too strapped, touch me, that's bang bang, bang bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang, bang bang bang.
All got it and everything.
Grab this stuff.
So guys, this is what the freaking PC looks like. It looks like that. So the fans go like that and everything. It looks like that. It's setting up right now, and we got the light right there that lights up. It's pretty freaking cool. I'm gonna be streaming tonight on this. So I'm gonna be streaming Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. You already know. So I'm very excited for this. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna plug my phone in and I'll get back to you when I'm streaming. So yeah. I remember the picture actually.